All right, so we back at it again with the f10 2015 535i, replacing the blower motor fan. Fan stopped working in the car, and I'm sure you can go to other YouTube videos. There's plenty out there showing you how to get it out, but it's one step that I found that these fuckers don't show you, right? When you get into this right here, when you taking this peeling this panel back to get it all the way back like this and to actually get it out, it's this wire here is really holding it on. I don't know. Boom. So now I'm gonna zoom in. That clip, if you undo that clip, which there's a hole for it. Try to show you. Where's my hand? Okay, yeah, there's the hole for it right there. So you just use one of your pry tool. I use this. I got one of these. I got a few of these. I got some plastic ones too. But that's what they failed to show you. That's going to help you give the extra room, because it's going to sit like this and you're going to get it like this, and you're going to be sitting there working and straining like I was. You know what I mean? Till you're able to really get this out your way. And this, once you undo that, it gives you the extra room that you need to be able to get it all the way out the way. All right, back at it. More maintenance. Peace.